This video will show you how to download and install the Leeds referencing styles to use with EndNote. To see the different referencing styles that are available to you through EndNote, open up a Word document and select the EndNote tab. Within this, you can see there is a styles portion of the toolbar at the top. If you click on the drop-down list, you can see some of the very common referencing styles that are used by different academics in different places. If you click on the select another style, you'll find a very long list of lots of different referencing styles. But even in this very long list, you will find that the Leeds specific styles don't appear. So if you're looking to work with Leeds Harvard, Leeds Numeric, or the Leeds MHRA styles, you're going to need to go to the library website to download these before you can work with them. So go to the library website and select Study and Research Support. On the left-hand side, then select EndNote and then EndNote Referencing Styles. This will take you to a page that includes the link to download Leeds output styles, and that's what you want to do. On this page, we have links to the different Leeds specific styles that I talked about and some instructions about how you go about downloading and working with them. I'm going to take you through that process now, working with the Leeds Uni Harvard style as an example. So I click on that link. It takes me to this page, which allows me to download the Leeds Uni Harvard style. You'll see it's appeared down here. And if I go to my documents, you can see in my downloads folder, I have the Leeds Uni Harvard style. Whichever style you're downloading, you're looking for the ending .ens. So look out for that. Now, what we need to do is make sure that this style is saved somewhere in our computer that allows EndNote to access and use it when we're doing our referencing. So what we need to do is select that file and copy it. Now we've copied that, we need to paste it to our EndNote folders. I'm working on a Windows computer, so I'm going to find my Program Files folder. That's where EndNote will be on a Windows computer. If you're working on a Mac, look for your Applications folder. Inside those folders, you should find the EndNote folder, and within your EndNote folder, there is the Styles folder. This folder includes all the different referencing styles that EndNote has access to, and what we want to do is paste our Leeds style into this folder to allow us to be able to access that when we're doing our referencing. Now, when I've hit paste, it's not worked for me because I'm working on a university computer. I don't have the administrator permission to be able to paste into this folder. If you are working on your own personal laptop, that shouldn't have happened and you should have successfully pasted into that folder. And if you go back to your Word document now, go back to the Styles drop-down menu and select another style. If you look for Leeds under L, you should now see the Leeds style that you pasted into that folder. Select it and hit OK, and you should be good to go. If, like me, you're working on a university computer or you're working on a virtual desktop, that means you don't have the permission to be able to make changes to that styles folder, we're going to use another method to access our Leeds style. And the way that we do this is we go to a portion of our computer where we can make changes, and we're going to create a new folder. I'm going to call that folder Styles. And then within our newly created styles folder, we paste the style that we downloaded from the university library website. So now I've got my very own styles folder. Now what we need to do to make our EndNote work with that is tell it to look in that folder. So if you go to your EndNote software and you select Edit and then Preferences, what you need to do is from this drop-down list, you need to select Folder Locations. And then here we have a style folder. And what we want to do is select a new location for our style folder. So you can see this is the old big styles folder. So I'm now going to find the place that I just saved my styles to. So if I select that and tell my EndNote, yes, that's the folder I want you to look at for my styles, hit OK. If I now go to my Word document and I look for that that long list of styles again and go down to Leeds, to L for Leeds, you will see that Leeds Uni Harvard has now appeared because I've told my EndNote to look for that folder. And if I hit OK, I should now be working with the Leeds Uni style. So hopefully, whether you're working on your own laptop or working through a university laptop, you have found a way of accessing the Leeds specific style that you need to by downloading it. For more help with EndNote, please look at the EndNote web pages on the library website.